Thank you, Speaker. My question is for the Minister for the Environment and Water. This week, Australia is hosting the world's first ever Global Nature Positive Summit, focusing on private investment in nature repair. Meanwhile, research from the Biodiversity Council shows the government continues to spend $26 billion every year on harming biodiversity. How can we hope to be nature positive in this country when the government continues to invest in being nature negative? And shouldn't we first stop subsidising nature negative activities like native forest logging?